Hi there, Jennifer Maker here. Thank you so much for your order. You can download your ebook right on this page. Just look for the big blue button that says Access Your Digital Content. You may need to scroll down the page a bit to see it. If you're not ready to download it right now, no worries. You'll also get an email from me with a link to download your ebook whenever you are ready to do it. Be sure to save this email somewhere safe so that you can return later and download your ebook again if you need it or if you want to get updates to it. If you don't see your email with the download link from me, be sure to check your promotions tab if you're on Gmail. It even might be hiding in your spam or junk folder. Oh, and if you used your PayPal account for this order, your confirmation mail will go to the email associated with your PayPal account. So be sure to check there too. Now, once your ebook is downloaded, I recommend that you open it and read it in Adobe Reader on your computer or laptop, which most of them have installed already, or in iBooks on your iPad or iPhone. If you downloaded your ebook but you're not sure where it's gotten to, look in your downloads folder if you're on a computer or laptop. If you're on an iPhone or iPad, the ebook will appear on your screen right after you download it. To save it to your iPad or phone, click the upload icon and choose Copy to iBooks or Save in Files. Now, when I update an ebook, I will send you an email about it so that you can download it again for free. The same download link that I send you today works for future updates. Now, it's important to note that all of my books are digital downloads only and nothing will be shipped to you. But that means you get immediate access and we can offer free updates. So there's no print books available, but you can print out your ebook if you wish. Now, if you do decide to print out your ebook, I recommend that you print a test page first to be sure that you have enough ink and it looks okay. Many of my readers choose to send their ebook to a copy shop or an office supply store for printing instead. And if you do this, there is a print release form at the end of the ebook granting you permission to have it printed there. And finally, if you need help, you can always email us at hello@jennifermaker.com. Again, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy your ebook.